Okay, yes. Sorry, I was muted. Now see over here. So Laplace of f of t is Laplace of t, right? Now we are going to see what is Laplace of t. So first we know the formula that Laplace of 1 is 1 by s, right? And what is the formula for Laplace of t to the power n? Right, we have seen in first class, Laplace of t to the power n is gamma n plus 1 or n factorial divided by s to the power n plus 1 or not, right? So when your n is integer or natural number, I can say here Laplace of t to the power 1, it is 1 factorial divided by s to the power 1 plus 1 or not, so it is 1 divided by s square. And this we are going to use so many times, so better to remember this formula separately, that Laplace of t is 1 by s square. Okay, this will be used so many times. So Laplace of t is equal to 1 by s square. So I'll recommend you to remember this formula separately. Now let us continue from over here. So Laplace of t is 1 by s square. Now here if I am applying second shifting property, so for u of t minus 1, it should be written as e to the power minus as. A is 1, right? A is 1 or not here. So minus 1s. For this can be converted to, I have to add plus a over here. What is a? A is based on here, right? Or a is 1. So I have to add plus 1 over here. So this is Laplace of 1 minus t plus 1. Are you getting my point? Is this clear to you or not? First, how we identified this a, and based on this a, how we have added this a over here. Okay. Now, so 1 plus 1, it will become 2 minus t or not? Right. So it is, wait, I have done any mistake or not? T and 1, yes. F2 minus F1, it will become 1 minus t only, yes, 1 minus t. So this will be 1 by s square plus e to the power minus s. Okay. Now Laplace of, wait. Yes, this is my mistake. This is my mistake. And this is common mistake what students are doing over here that I have done once again. See, here our function is 1 minus t. So instead of t, I have to write t plus a. So this is like this. This is the mistake of bracket. Okay. So here our f of t is, understand this carefully. F of t is 1 minus t or not? So I have to replace this t with t plus a. A is 1. So f of t plus 1 means instead of t, I should write t plus 1. Right. So this should be in bracket. So 1 minus t minus 1, this is your minus t. So yes, this is most common mistake the students are doing. Even I have done it after doing this question so many times. So Laplace of this will become 1 minus 1 will get cancelled out, minus t. Already we have seen Laplace of t. Here we are having minus. So minus will get out of this bracket. So minus e to the power minus s, and t is 1 upon s square. So you can write like this: 1 minus e to the power minus s divided by s square. This is your final answer. Is it clear now? Right. Okay, and here let me highlight this portion because this is dangerous portion. Okay. Please type in chat box. Is it clear? Shall we move to next question or shall I repeat this once again? So here chances of mistakes are more. Okay. Here f of t plus 1 will not be equal to 1 minus t plus 1. Right? Bracket should be there. So next. Okay. So let us see some next question, or you can do this by integration also. Okay. You can try this by integration from home. Okay. And then you can tell me that which method you find easy. Okay. So from home, you can try this question by integration. Now, second question. f of t is equal to t plus 1 t t minus 1 t plus 1 it is defined for 0 less than or equal to t less than 1 t it is defined for 1 less than or equal to t less than 2 and t minus 1 is defined for t greater than or equal to 2. Okay, so how we can write this? Okay, so first whenever these branch wise functions are given to you and see its branch, you have to find Laplace of f of t, right? This is your question. So see over here. So from here, so now Laplace of f of t, can it be written as, if you observe these functions carefully, this is from 0 to 1, this is 1 to 2, and this is for t greater than or equal to 2. So first applying Laplace, let us convert this function. So your function can be written as, first your first function as it is t plus 1, then second function minus first function t minus t plus 1. Okay, again matter of bracket, u of t minus your first value is 1. Just observe these all values. Then plus third function minus second function t minus 1 minus t. Okay, u of t minus second value t minus 2. Is it clear or not? f1t plus f2 minus f1 plus f3 minus f2. First we have to write this f1t, then f2 minus f1, then
So third में bracket problem.
bracket problem. T no.
Bracket
If,
done नीचे वाले.
this na. If I write t minus 1 minus t, so in this case, if I'm writing bracket or not, there is no issue because it is only single t. Okay. So that's why I have not written bracket, but it is a good habit. Yeah, bracket पहले से ही लिखो, right? So just make a habit of making bracket. So f of t can be written as f1t, that is t plus 1, plus f2 minus f1, that is t minus t plus 1, plus f2 minus f3 minus f2, that is t minus 1 minus t. Now u of t minus 1, u of t minus 2. Is it clear? So let us simplify this first. So therefore f of t will become t plus 1 plus, let us write this as it is only, t minus t will get cancelled out. This is only minus 1 or not? So minus 1 u of t minus 1. Here also t minus t will get cancelled out. This is minus u of t minus 2 or not? So this is simply your t plus 1 minus u of t minus 1 minus u of t minus 2. And we all know that Laplace of u of t minus a is e to the power minus as by s. Laplace of u of t minus a is e to the power minus as by s, isn't it? Here, Laplace of u of t minus a equal to e to the power minus as by s. So this is making this function more easy. So let us apply Laplace on both the sides. So therefore Laplace of f of t will become Laplace of t plus Laplace of 1 minus Laplace of u of t minus 1 minus Laplace of u of t minus 2. Laplace of t 1 upon s square, 1 upon s, this is e to the power minus as, a is what? 1. So minus 1s by s square, right? We have seen now only, sorry, minus as by s only, my mistake. So e to the power minus as by s, same over here, e to the power minus 2s by s. So based on the option, now you can choose your answer. If your option is only in this form, this is your answer. If your option is somewhat simplification, you can simplify this as well, right? So it can be 1 plus s into 1 minus e to the power minus s minus e to the power minus 2s whole divided by s square. So this is your Laplace of f of t. Okay. Now let us see third question. If f of t is equal to sine t and cos t, sine for t greater than or equal to pi and cos for 0 less than or equal to t less than pi. So again, it is branch wise function is given or not? Okay. So if it is branch-wise function, can we proceed directly? Okay. So here also our aim is to find Laplace of f of t. How we can find this same formula? Can I write this f of t as f1t, that is sin t, plus cos t minus sin t into u of t minus pi? Is it right? Can I proceed like this? Please give me some response. Is it right or not? Type in chat box. No. Very good, Roshan. It is wrong. Mind well. So this is also one common mistake. Just observe your limits first. Right? Your first function should have limit from 0 to a. Then second function should have limit greater than or equal to a. Right? You have to arrange your function according to your limits first. Okay. So this is also one common mistake. Okay. So first, rearrange given functions according to limits. Right. And how should be your limits? Limits should be in ascending order. Right. It should start from 0, a1, a2 up to an. It should be in ascending order. Okay. It should be in ascending order. So now if I rearrange, so my function will become, so first from 0 to pi, my function is cos t. So my f1t will become cos t over here. Okay. So it is cos t for 0 to pi, and it is sin t for t greater than or equal to pi. So it is cos t for 0 to pi and sin t for t greater than or equal to pi. Now, so therefore, so this is your f of t, right? So now what I have to find is, I have to write this in form of f1t plus f2 minus f1. So now cos is my f1. So f of t is equal to cos t plus sin t minus cos t into u of t minus pi. So this is your right answer. This is correct. Got this? Please give me some response. Is it clear or not? Why above function, why above statement was wrong and this statement is right? Is it clear? Okay. So due to just rearrange.
Sir, answer aa gaya.
Okay. So let us apply Laplace. So therefore Laplace of f of t is equal to Laplace of cos t. Okay, good, Hitesh. Plus Laplace of sin t minus cos t into u of t minus pi. Now, so here, what is Laplace of cos t? S divided by s square plus a square or not? Plus u of t minus pi, e to the power minus as divided by s, Laplace of f of t. So this can be written Laplace of f of t plus a. So this is your Laplace of sine t plus pi minus cos t plus pi, isn't it? So this is equal to s divided by s square plus 1 plus e to the power minus pi s by s. So sine pi plus t, pi plus third quadrant, isn't it? All s t c. This is pi. Pi plus, it is third quadrant. Everybody remember this? So pi plus theta, it is your third quadrant. In third quadrant, it is negative. So Laplace of minus sine t minus, in the same way cos is also negative. So Laplace of, yes, I have applied Laplace separately. So Laplace of minus cos t. So this is your s divided by s square plus 1 plus e to the power minus pi s by s. So this is your minus 1 by s square plus 1. This is your minus minus plus s divided by s square plus 1. So this will become s minus 1 by s square plus 1. Right. So our answer is here s divided by s square plus 1 plus, wait, this is my mistake, na? It should be only e to the power minus as, right? E to the power minus as by s is Laplace of u of t minus a. But when it is multiplied to this, first we are going to take e to the power minus as, and then we are going to find this. Okay, so this was divided by s was my mistake. And since our denominator is same, s square plus 1, we can write this denominator directly. We can add numerators directly. So it is s plus e to the power minus pi s into bracket s minus 1 divided by s square plus 1. So this is also one common mistake. So this is your Laplace of f of t. Is it clear now? Because your Laplace of u of t minus a is e to the power minus as by s. See over here. Your Laplace of u of t minus a is e to the power minus as by s, and Laplace of u of t minus a into f of t minus a, it is only e to the power minus as. So you can remember even Laplace of u of t minus a like this only, that Laplace, if you have to find Laplace of u of t minus a, then first for u of t minus a you should write e to the power minus as. For u of t minus a you should write e to the power minus as. Now after that we are having nothing but 1, then Laplace of 1 is 1 by s. Okay, so so with the help of this you can remember this both formula. So whenever you are remembering u of t minus a, it is e to the power minus as, and then Laplace of this f of t plus a. U of t minus a to the power minus as, then Laplace of this after adding a in variable. In the same way here, u of t minus a is e to the power minus as, then Laplace of 1, right? Because 1 is constant function. If you add anything in variable, then also it will come 1 only. If it is 1 for this value of this variable, if you are adding something in that variable, for that also it will give you answer 1 only, because this is your constant function. Okay, so this is how you can eliminate this mistake. So is it clear now? So Hitesh, you got this answer only?
यस सर, आपने जब बोला कि वो डिवाइड में एस आएगा तब मैं ढूंढने लगा कि मेरी कहाँ मिस्टेक हुई है.
Okay, great. It was
लेकिन मिस्टेक नहीं थी.
it was my mistake. Okay, great. Sure. So wait. Why it is not being, wait. So okay, let us move to next question now. Now this question is based on mode. Okay, it is already 9:05. Can I give you few questions based on this? Right, there are one and
यस सर.
1, 2, and 3 questions are there. Let me give you those questions. Then the rest are properties of Laplace transform, different properties that we will see today evening, right? And evening we will complete all these questions of Laplace transform, so that in next class we can start inverse Laplace. Okay, so see over here. So fourth question, I'm giving you this question. You can try this question from home. F of t is equal to mod t plus 1. Sorry, just marker property. Yes. So fourth, f of t is equal to mod t plus 1 plus mod t minus 1, t greater than or equal to 0. I will give you hint as well. Here your 4 options are: option A 2 by s, option B 2 by s square, option C e to the power minus s 2 by s square plus 1 upon s, and option D none. Okay, chalo next. Wait. So okay, and for this I will give you hints simultaneously, and one more function is there, but that I will give you that only right now. See over here. So for this, remember this hint: whenever you are having mod x, So mod x can be written as x and minus x. X for x greater than or equal to 0 and minus x for x less than 0. Right. If it is mod x minus 1 or x minus a, it can be written as x minus a for x greater than or equal to a and minus of x minus a when x less than a. So you can use this hint to solve this question, right? So just try that from home. And one more thing, one more question. This was your question number 4, right? Let me do this. Question number 5. Laplace of greatest integer function. Okay. So whenever you are having Laplace of you know this greatest integer function, students. This is Laplace of greatest integer function of t. Okay. So Laplace greatest integer function is defined as, I'm giving you a hint for that. Greatest integer function, right? It is defined as it is going to greatest integer value of that variable, right? So it is going to give you 0 when your variable is between 0 to 1, where 0 is included and 1 is excluded. 1 when your variable is between 1 to 2. 2 when your variable is between 2 to 3, right? In the same way, it will give you value n minus 1 when your variable is between n minus 1 to n. Are you getting my point? Can you find Laplace of this? Okay. So yes, try these questions from home. Okay. So let us skip till here only. Any doubt in today's session? If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. This is hint for this and hint for this. Okay. Shall I end the meeting now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, everyone. Have a great day. See you in the evening at 5:10. Okay.